Hi natural hair lover, welcome to Hair Wash Friday with PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your beauty and your babies as well. Today we're going to be making some avocado bananas hair masks to add strength to your hair, protect your hair in this winter, and then also to protect your scalp. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I never think I ever have my ingredients together like this. If I had, then ignore this message. But all the ingredients are going to be listed below. And then one more thing, I'm going to be featuring my sister Francesca today. So I'm going to begin by peeling my bananas. So bananas has antimicrobial properties which help aid in treating flakiness from the scalp, and then protecting your scalp, and then also protecting your hair from dandruff and healing dandruff. It help soften your hair as well. And then I am also going to add in my avocado, which is really good in terms of magnesium and potassium. It helps strengthen your hair, it helps soften your hair, help protect your hair, and just overall help seal your cuticles and help treat that cuticle cell as well. And then I'm going to add in some coconut milk, which I prefer over coconut oil. If you guys don't already know, now you know. Coconut milk is really good in terms of just helping heal your hair and overall hair growth. If you want to know more about that, check out my previous video on coconut milk. And then of course I'm adding 1 cup of my rice water. It's going to be listed below. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my Alma Powder. If you guys want to know about the benefit of Alma Powder, check out my other videos. I have videos on that. So for my hot mixture, I'm going to begin by adding in my Cetyl Alcohol. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add my stearic acid. To that, I'm going to be adding 1/2 of a teaspoon, about 2. I'm just spilling everywhere. And then I'm going to then add some mango butter to it because I want our hair to be really moisturized. And I'm going to add my pomegranate oil. I have previous videos on those as well. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. And then I'm going to add a few drops of my essential oil. And I'm going to be adding my shea butter oil to that, 3 tablespoons. If you guys want to see how I make that, I have a video on that also. And the benefit as well. I feel horrible at this point. And I'm going to add in my rice water mixed with the Alma powder into my mixture. And then I'm going to then add in my avocado mixture as well. And then I'm going to blend everything together. So now we're going to apply this mixture into my little sister Francesca here. And so I'm going to section her hair out, and then I'm going to begin applying the mixture in your hair and just massage it into it until the hair eats up all the mixture. So repeat this step throughout the whole hair, and then cover it up for about 45 minutes, and then wash it out after that. So as you guys can see, her hair loved this. It was so much fun hanging out with you guys. Until we see you again next week, stay safe.